A disorganised mess in your car can be annoying, unhygienic, distracting, and dangerous, which is why, with the help of cabin crew, you should take the time to keep all your clutter in the right place. If you need to carry cargo in the boot, then it's a good plan to keep it from rolling around as you corner, accelerate, and brake. Cabin crew's boot organisers come in a range of sizes and can be used to store all sorts of useful things to prevent damage or simply keep your car tidy. Better still, they feature velcro on the underside to help stick them in place. If you're transporting larger or oddly shaped things like sports gear or luggage, then the cabin crew cargo net will helpfully hold everything in place. For storing things that might need to be accessed by your passengers, such as toys and entertainment for the kids, or snacks, drinks and sunscreen for everybody, then check out the cabin crew Backseat Organizer. It attaches around the headrest and hangs over the back of the seat within easy reach. Another type of organiser that attaches to the headrests is the bag hanger. Available in 2 sizes, these can make storing shopping bags, handbags, school bags and other containers easy, tidy and, best of all, safe. Cabin crew also offers other ways to organise the interior of your vehicle. The silicone non-slip tray can hold small items in place and prevent them from disappearing under seats when you corner. And the pop-up rubbish bin can help you to keep rubbish in one place and make sure your car stays tidy and hygienic. If you need to do something about the clutter in your car, then you can't go past the cabin crew range of interior organisers from Supercheap Auto.